Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh on Monday dismissed the allegation ascribing a recent road accident to VIP culture as baseless, saying that the incident was unrelated to the convoy he was part of. A police escort vehicle, which was part of the VIP cavalcade en route to the Shillong Cherry Blossoms Festival, had allegedly hit a two-wheeler, killing the rider Huddefield Rimboy and injuring the pillion rider. Lyngdoh said that the cavalcade, which included the Chief Minister's vehicle and several other cars, was moving at a snail's pace and was significantly delayed due to the heavy pedestrian and vehicular movement.
The convoy led by the CM's convoy was followed first by the car where the CM and his wife had occupied, followed by my car, and there were a few other cars in between, after which the CM's convoy and my car, security convoy's car, was at the back. And we had to stop 5 to 6 times for several minutes because the traffic had come to a complete halt. There was no space for moving forward. Where is the possibility of a hit and run accident in such a situation? I was given to understand that the bike used by this person who succumbed to his injury had come from the wrong side, hit the rear end of my vehicle, and then crossed to the other side and was then hit by another car.
The voice